to the top. They calling me a demon and I'm asking how can I be? I know I got a heart just lack of humanity, but now my sanity is something I ain't seen in a while. Sitting on death row, this is my green mile.
Locked up in where I wanna be, confined in my mind, it's like a prison to me. Since birth, had nothing to choose, I'm on the run.